Imagine leading your company armed with the tools to not only keep pace, but outpace the competition. As a CTO, you know that AI is far more than a buzzword. It is the power behind modern innovation. The courses at AI for CTOs are designed specifically for leaders like you who refuse to settle for average. This isn't about theory. It is about practical, hands-on guidance that gives you actionable frameworks and insights to integrate AI directly into your strategic decisions. Our well-crafted video courses, AI-powered job prompts, and comprehensive eBooks come together to offer you a complete resource that streamlines your decision-making and frees up your time for what matters most. Each piece of content provides you with tools to automate repetitive tasks, optimize workflows, and seize high-impact opportunities. This training is constantly updated every month, ensuring you have access to the latest strategies that top tech leaders are already using to drive results. By diving into this suite of resources, you not only gain essential AI insights, but also earn certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Whether you are looking to enhance operational efficiency or create groundbreaking solutions, our courses prepare you to lead with confidence and vision. Find all AI for CTOs training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.